Hi, I'm Chef Tony Reed, Director of Culinary here at Spiceology. We're proud to be the fastest growing spice company in America, and today we're going to discuss what sets us apart. We make it possible for anyone to experiment with flavor. We're known for our unique flavor combinations like our smoky honey habanero blend or our black and blue blend, which combine traditional blackening seasonings with real blue cheese. These blends are very versatile, allowing chefs to create new and surprising dishes or a new twist on a traditional favorite, and we have more than 100 to choose from. We believe that spices are the heart of the kitchen. We know that chefs need a dependable source for every flavor need, and we are that source. We offer more than 300 blends and ingredients available from us directly through our website or next day from our distributors nationwide. Chefs must always be a part of our DNA. Spiceology is a chef-founded company. We know what the kitchen needs. For instance, our labels aren't just labels. They're a kitchen organizing system with our color-coded periodic table of flavor. We believe fresh matters. We source the highest quality ingredients, and unlike the other spice companies, we only grind them when we're ready to pack them. It's a difference you can taste, see, and smell. At Spiceology, we're always innovating, but we're always gonna stay true to our core beliefs. I'm Chef Tony Reed. Stay spicy.